That's Italy, that's Kuwait, that's Belgium, that's Brazil, that's France. The one behind it is Australia. And I can't.
I'm surprised you know all these flags. Probably because you watch a lot of anime.
The one behind, I think that one is Luxembourg. That's Qatar.
Wow. Here in this clip, we made it to Stockholm. We're actually just waiting for the train to take us to the hostel. And we actually came across some of the students that were on the same trip. So that was kind of cool. So, Natalie, this is your hostel room. Well, hostel. How you like it so far?
It's nice.
It's nice.
The bed could have been better.
I think the bed could have been better, but it's comfortable. It's not too bad. It's not like you're sleeping on the floor. So I think this is the Generator Hotel, and I know for sure that it's a theme going on here, like we're in a machine or something. Only thing I don't like is the fact that we don't have television, and the bathroom is weird. But I think it's part of the theme. It's very, very modern and European-esque.
For a country that has low crime rates, they have
the what?
no man. The country is very cold, and the radiators and showers are not hot enough.
That's because you're an American child. We got to be extreme with everything. Hot water, cold water, too much salt, too much sugar, too much makeup.
Did you look at the ingredient list for the cookies you got?
Okay, so now I don't think Oreos is any different here because the ingredient, it was so much ingredients. Wait a minute, let me look. Let's see if I can. Okay. Look at the ingredients on this thing. I can't. It's in Swedish.
You know, it's probably not even that many. It just looks like it because of
Nah. I swear, no. I don't think so, sweetie. Oreos is sus.
Never mind. I was wrong. Oh, wait. That's not the ingredient. Oh. Where's the ingredients list? I can't.
It's all that stuff on the back. But guess what? Who cares? I'm eating them. And they probably taste better because everything tastes better here. Coca-Cola, oh my God. And then you know Coca-Cola compared to Pepsi is like real, like watered down, right? But Coca-Cola here is busting.
I haven't tried it. We had something at lunch today. I don't know why they were trying to serve us something sweet at lunch, but whatever.
Ugh.
I think it was a crepe. I don't know. It was nasty.
Oh, a crepe?
It wasn't a crepe, but it was something like it.
Ugh.
And it came with blueberries, powder.
Like a beignet?
It wasn't a beignet. It was like a crepe, but
it
was a
some type of
it.
Danish or something.
But it was like a crepe and a pancake, a mix between the two.
Oh, that was breakfast. Well, they served it for lunch?
Yeah. It had powdered sugar on top. Not even a strawberry or anything like that. I don't know what that berry was. They said it's a mix between a cranberry and a blueberry.
I don't really like the design of those yellow signs. They're kind of blunt on.
Well, I would have to disagree with the lady in the previous clip. She's Swedish, but you know us Americans like our bold and splash of color. So the yellow stays. I love it. So Natalie and I are having, I guess it's this is lunch, I guess. Cod, potatoes. I'll show you guys. for lunch. It's tasty. And then we're going to see the rest of the exhibit. We're here at the Nordic Museum, enjoying ourselves. So let me just go ahead and fast forward a little bit. We were able to finance this trip through GoFundMe, and we had all of the community pour into this venture. We really wanted our daughter to experience international travel. She's maintained a 4.0 GPA, and this is what her academics led her to Sweden. So, like I said, this was a once-in-a-lifetime trip. And, most of us out here, we are just, to be honest with you, we're, making ends meet. And things like this is, absolutely hard to do. So it took a community effort, and we are so appreciative of it from our family and friends who actually poured into us. And, I would just say, like I said, with all the people who know us and who actually pour into us, we love y'all. This trip, y'all, was just amazing. Look at all the students. And, this is the thing. My baby took me to Sweden because of her academics. That's the thing. It wasn't even so much like, if you look at it, this is the first time I traveled, well, second time I traveled international as an adult. And if you look at these pictures right here, this is a picture within the picture in the museum. All of this is at the Nobel Peace Prize Museum. And then they have the curator here who is, giving information and history on all of the people that were inducted into the society and how it came about. And it's just amazing. I mean, like I said, if your kids want to try things, you need to let them try it. And you yourself as an adult will have an adventure as well. She was able to meet new friends. These two guys, one from Detroit, one from Pennsylvania. And then me, I met me some friends too. These guys were the chefs in our hostel. And then, I kept going to the 7-Eleven, and I met a young lady who actually was so dope, and her hair was so beautiful. So I had to take a picture of it. I'm telling y'all, if y'all get a chance, go ahead and go to Sweden. The Nordic side of the country is so beautiful. I mean, it's just a beautiful country. The people are very nice and very, very welcoming. I didn't have any issues. It does have a nostalgic feel to it, but it's definitely worth the trip. Next, I passed through Iceland, but I think I want to go back that way. So it's just something that, and this is Sweden here, right here. It had all types of shops. So you guys, this pretty much concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please share, like, and subscribe the video. Thank you for tuning in.